We're going to conduct an experiment on Gay-Lussac's law. Before commencing the experiment, we require a candle, lighter, colored water, and a small plate. The candle will be ignited, and after a 2-minute interval, we will observe if the water demonstrates a phenomenon of being drawn out, or in the other words, if it exhibits a suction effect. Gay-Lussac's law is a gas law that describes the relationship between the pressure and temperature of a gas when the volume and mass are kept constant. It states that the pressure of a gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. Gay-Lussac's law states that the pressure of a gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature when the volume is held constant.
Every time you walk into the room, got me feeling crazy. Shot my heart, boom, boom. Any other boy would stare, but me, I look away, cause you're making me scared. Trying not to breathe, 1, 2, 3.
Hi guys! Pag maraming pag maraming pressure, mas malakas ang temperature. Monitor pala.
Linisin na ang pinakamalinis na lugar, may plastic. Pinakamalinis na lugar.
Sarap din masakal?
Sa tuyo, gusto mo ba sa akin?
Guys, watch and learn. Chill. 2 minutes, guys. Bayan, doon ka nga, hindi naman sa grupo. Bayan. Ako naman.
Maganda kasi may kulay pa nakikita mo.
Kita niyo ba? Wala na pangit ng video, may smile.
Audio Jungle.